Leonie, happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday,
Leonie.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Leonie.
Happy birthday, Leonie.
Happy birthday, Leonie.
Happy birthday, Leonie.
Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Leonie. Happy birthday, Leonie. You rock.
Happy birthday, Leonie.
I'm a father-in-law. Happy birthday, Leonie.
Happy birthday.
Leonie. Hope you had a good day.
Happy birthday, Leonie.
Happy birthday, Leonie.
Leonie, thank you for inviting us to such a beautiful party.
Yeah, it's really a good place.
I'm looking forward to that animal. I'm getting hungry.
special birthday in one's life. You are now officially a mature and responsible adult who has the necessary wisdom to make important decisions in life. I've read somewhere that you are not really 30, you are 80 with 12 years of experience. Therefore, 30 gives you an attitude, as it says you know what you're doing and you've got what it takes to get where you're going. Leonie, you could have chosen so many ways to celebrate this special day. Examples like pub crawling or a karaoke marathon. But instead you decided to do a typical South African backyard barbecue. Leonie wanted her friends and her colleagues to experience the typical South African hospitality. And we hope you learned something tonight about the South African way of having a party or a celebration. We met Leonie by accident through Amelia. Amelia, she's also working at AUT, and these two met, and Amelia know our house and that we have boarders all the time, so she told Leonie, and that's how we met Leonie in the end. Amelia knows we accommodated many ex-South Africans over the years. 24, in fact, over the last 13 years we've been here in this house. Some came to stay for a few weeks and stayed for 3 months, some for 6 months, some for 1 to 3 years. Gert, that's Gert over there.
The delinquent.
Gert now has been here the longest.
Oh yeah?
3 years and 4 months. I think we do something right if they want to stay on, don't you think? Leonie is an incredible person to know. She is caring, warm-hearted, and always puts someone else's interest above her own interest. Leonie, I want to suggest you do a bucket list this year and to plan a timeline as you are well settled and have a vision for your future. We hope this vision includes an application to become a New Zealand resident. I do not want you to one day retire and look back, then say, what if? But about this big 3-0, people come and go, but some last the distance and mean more than they know. Those are the people who touch your life and leaving a mark. Oops. You, Leonie, are 1 in a million. You are not impressed by degrees and titles, but are impressed by kindness, integrity, humility, and generosity. Thanks for being Leonie. And now something, unfortunately, in Afrikaans. Oude persone glo alles. Die middelouderdomme wonder oor alles. En die jonges weet alles. Mag jy altyd jong van hart bly. Leonie geseënde lewe gebeur nie net sommer nie. Dit vereis daaglikse gebed, menslikheid, opoffering en harde werk. Ons wens vir jou 'n pragtige toekoms toe met goeie gesondheid, krag en voorspoed. Geniet elke oomblik, Leonie. Happy birthday.
Hoor, hoor!
Thank you, Grandma.
Oh. Thank you. Hey, speech.
Peter, that was a beautiful speech, and I really thank you for just that heartwarming recognition for Leonie. It's been really a pleasure to be here tonight, and completely unexpected, because I feel like from my end of things, I've got a Latin heritage, and I feel like I've come to a Latin barbecue. Very, very similar style. And I also haven't actually, Leonie has been speaking a little bit about her New Zealand family. And we haven't quite figured out what that was all about until today. And now we just realized why she feels this really amazing affinity to being here. And I have to really thank you for doing that, because for us to have our students being well taken care of, it's really a very special thing. And I don't know if you realize that in our group we do have this family environment with students from all over the world, and Leonie has been a fresh air for us as well. We have actually been very impressed by the South African culture being relatively new to our group, and Leonie has been instrumental in sharing that with us. I agree with you that Leonie is a very special person. I was a little worried when she first applied for the job because I thought, well, she's never traveled outside South Africa. How is she going to cope with a very multi-ethnic group, like especially the one we have, which is very, very diverse? Yep. But she assured me that she was up for the challenge, and when she arrived, I was still a little bit worried. But soon she actually embraced the diversity and the challenges that this country has to offer. And your family here and the environment that you provide here clearly has been a cornerstone for her to feel at home. So I was very pleased to meet her brother and to feel that she had settled a little bit here in New Zealand, and that was just a really a very good experience for us. One of the things that I love most about Leonie is the fact that she's a bit more American, which I am, and so she can speak directly about what's going on, which a lot of Kiwis don't do, so I really have that affinity with her. I probably disagree with one thing in your speech, that this is a time, turning 30, for her to be more responsible. I can't actually imagine anybody being more responsible under 30 than her. So if she can lighten up a little bit, actually, a good thing. So I hope that we all appreciate what it is to be in this incredible country, to be able to express our individual heritages and cultures, ethnic backgrounds, religions, or whatever it is that we come from, that are who we are, and that we can actually express freely here. So I am very thankful about that, and I'm very thankful to have Leonie show us a bit of her world, which has undoubtedly expanded our horizons. So thank you, Leonie, for being part of our team, and we look forward to the many years to come, because I'm sure you will become a New Zealand citizen.
Thank you. I just want to do the thank yous. Firstly, Women Tanny, thank you very much for welcoming me into your home and making me part of the family. And thank you for allowing us to have the party here and for tolerating all of our crazy ideas. Thank you very much. To all of the Tannies for assisting with the food, Tanny Amelia, Tanny Sandra, Tanny Petru. Thank you for making the food and helping prepare everything. To all of the braaiers, thank you guys for making sure the meat's good.
The barbecues.
Braai. Thank you for the braai. Okay. Thank you guys for making some music, for bringing a bit of South Africa to New Zealand. I hope you guys enjoy the entertainment. And then thank you to you, Nicole. Thank you for bringing all of your special touches, and thank you for all of the shopping and all of the late nights and all of your efforts for making this a Leonie friendly party. It's really special. Thank you very much. And I want to thank each and every one of you for being here, and maybe more importantly, I want to thank you for being part of my New Zealand journey. It's crazy to think that 2 years ago I didn't know any of you, and now you are the friends and family and colleagues I spend every day with. So thank you very much. I feel extremely blessed to have two sets of families on either sides of the world. And even though I'd love to have my South African family here, I'm pretty content to celebrate my 30th birthday with all of you. So thank you very much. And if the last 30 years is anything to go by, I can't wait for the next 30 years. So here's to life, to meeting all of the characters, to reading all of the chapters, and to going on all of the adventures. Cheers!
Let's say happy birthday, Leonie. You came into my life accidentally, I guess, and yeah, you've got a no mess, no nonsense attitude, and I'm a say it like it is kind of person. So I guess we're a match made in heaven. You're very special to me. Sorry, Tom, I keep hitting you. You've taken a piece of my heart, and I don't think I've ever had a friend like you. And I wish only the best for the future. Happy 30th. You'll be okay. Look at me. I'm 40. thriving and surviving. Love you, Lauren.
Thank you.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.